If you're looking for the best ladder for home use, there is one ladder that is a clear winner for me because I have bought a ton of ladders and I go to this ladder for 80% of my projects around the house. But this ladder has two major flaws, and one of them is the reason why I don't go to it every single time. This is my honest take on the Little Giant multi-position M18 ladder after 2 years of use. Little Giant has not sponsored this video. I'm just sharing my experience with this ladder for the last 2 years, and I had another version that I had for over 10 years that we lost somehow in our move here. This is the Little Giant M18 multi-position ladder. The M18 literally just means that it has an 18-foot reach. They do have, I think it's a 14, they also have a 22-foot version of this. One thing to note about the reach, when it's at its full extent as an extension ladder, 18 feet is calculated based on someone who is 5'6" at the top of the ladder, safely at the top of the ladder, with a 12-inch reach above their head. That's how they come to the 18 feet. So if you're shorter or taller, you may be able to reach further or maybe not quite as far. That is the case for all of these ladders. There are three main ways that I use my ladder. First, as an A-frame ladder just like this. So rather than having to grab another A-frame or step ladder around the house, I can simply use my multi-position ladder. At its peak height, I can go to a 13-foot reach, and that same calculation applies with the 5'6" person with the 12-inch reach above their head. But when this is at its full height, that's how high you can go. So there's no need to have a 4-foot A-frame or step ladder around the house, a 6-foot, or even an 8-foot ladder laying around. You can accomplish all of that with one ladder. I use it in that position to clean and inspect our gutters, replace light fixtures in the house, really anything that I have to get done around the home that I can reach at that height. The second configuration that I will typically use is as an extension ladder, where I need to get higher up, that 18-foot reach area. I use this every year when I clean out the dryer vent for our home, and I'll also use it to inspect some of the gutters that are a little bit higher up. I even use it for work on the shed periodically. And the third position that I will use is on a staircase, because you can customize the distance at which you configure each side of the A in the A-frame ladder. This is very nice when you need to get to a light fixture that's up at the top of a staircase, or maybe if you're painting up high in that staircase so you don't have to lean out and potentially fall. This gives you a very solid base on the floor and on the stairs to get that work done. So this ladder genuinely replaces the need to purchase a 4-foot, a 6-foot, and an 8-foot step ladder and an extension ladder. You get it all in one form factor. The rapid lock system enables you to do a simple turn of the lock, and then you can slide the ladder up and down to get it to whatever configuration that you want. To lock it in, when you get to the next run, simply turn it back in order to lock it back in, and you're ready to go. This is also a very stable ladder. I have tipped this over multiple times just by bumping into it. And honestly, I would be more concerned about putting a dent in the driveway here than injuring or breaking this ladder. And after the last 2 years, I've literally just had a handful of scratches on this. There are no dents. Now, one thing to note, this is very stable on a flat surface, but if you're working anywhere around the home where you don't have a flat surface, please note that there is another version of this ladder that has their Leveler 2.0 leg adjustments at the bottom, so that you can adjust them for those situations where you do not have a level, stable surface. I just don't have that one. But as I said, there are two major flaws with this ladder, in my opinion. And the first is price. No ladder is inexpensive in my opinion, but these Little Giants are not cheap. As of the date of the recording of this video, online at Lowe's.com, you can get this Little Giant M18 for $239. I actually got mine on sale for $189. That's a significant discount, so you'll want to keep an eye out for sales to get a reduced price on these. But if you were to purchase multiple ladders to get everything that you get in this one form factor, you would spend significantly more than $239. Second, and the reason why I don't use it for 100% of the projects, it's the weight. This is a 30-pound ladder, which is not super heavy for a multi-position ladder like this, but when I need to go into the bathroom to check the exhaust fan, I'm always going for my 4-foot step ladder because it is lightweight and very easy to maneuver in that small space. So considering all of this, if I had to purchase another ladder for home use, would I buy this one again? The answer is yes, 100% of the time. Actually, when I was preparing for this video, my wife saw this and said, man, these are the best ladders. And we've owned 2. I actually did purchase it again because I lost my last one. But this may not be the right ladder for you if you're only doing a little bit of work infrequently inside of your home where you're just reaching up to a ceiling height. A 6-foot or a 4-foot step ladder might be the best choice for you. But if you need to get above those heights, a multi-position ladder is going to be a solid choice. But if you want more detail on other types of ladders as you make your decision, you will definitely want to check out this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.